Welcome to TLE 7, Quarter 4 Industrial Arts. Today, we will tackle the Week 2 Lesson 2, the Codes and Standards in Industrial Arts Services. National Building Code of the Philippines or Republic Act Number 6451, the Residential Construction. Codes and Standard Use in Industrial Arts. In the NBCP, Section 3 states that no person, firm, or corporations, including agency of government, shall construct, alter, repair, move, convert, or demolish any building or structures case to be done without first obtaining permit. Therefore, from the building official assigned in the place where the subject building is located. The importance of the knowledge in using codes and standards in the workplace. First, of course, for safety. Second, for quality. And the third, for consistency. The Philippine Electrical Code, Residential Wiring. The Philippine Electrical Code is a set of standards and regulations that govern the safe and proper installation, operation, and maintenance of electrical systems in the Philippines. These are the objectives. First, safe use of electricity. To establish basic materials quality and electrical work standards for the safe use of electricity for light, heat, power, communications, and signaling, and for other purposes. Second, adequacy. Strict compliance with the provisions of this code will ensure safety in electrical installation and construction. The use of PAC is mandated by the RA 7920, formerly RA 184, also known as the New Electrical Engineering Law. Likewise, referral codes are also used which are mandated by their corresponding laws. First, the PD 1096 or the National Building Code, the PD 1185, the Fire Code of the Philippines, and the Structural Code RA 7920 is an act providing for a more responsive and comprehensive regulations for the practice. These are the government authorities who implement PEC. First, Office of the Building Official, Office of the City Electrician, Office of the Municipal Electricians, and the Regional Office of the DOLE. Building officials are responsible in enforcing the provisions of the Philippine Electrical Code as indicated in RA 7920, Section 39 and PD 1096, Sections 205 and 1301. Bureau of Fire Protection. As per provisions of the Republic Act Number 9514, the Fire Code regarding electrical system is to enforce the provisions of the Fire Code, particularly Section 781. Permits and inspection certificates. A permit is required before undertaking any electrical installation. An inspection is also required after which certificate of final electrical inspection. For exemptions, a permit is not required for the installation of electrical portable equipment rated not more than 1,200 volt ampere, reconnections of disconnection, service due to non-payment of electric bill or change of occupants for a period of 1 year. The Philippine Electronics Codes. Section 1. The General Rules. The purpose of the rules. The primary purpose of this rule is to establish, for the Republic of the Philippines, uniform standards, regulations, and requirements for electronics and communication design, planning, manufacture, production, publication, construction, installation, operation, and maintenance. For Section 3, the General Electrical Protection and Grounding Requirements, the electrical protection measures covered in this code are directed against the effects of lightning, accidental, contact with power lines voltages, electromagnetically induced into communication circuits by normal or fault currents. Objective. The primary considerations of electrical protection are to minimize as far as practicable electrical hazards to persons engaged in constructions, to reduce as far as the practicable damage to equipment and plant, to eliminate as far as practicable any fire hazard resulting from the operation of communication systems, and to minimize as far as practicable acoustic shock hazards to anyone using communication services. These are the government agency tasks to implement the Philippine Electronic Code. We have the DILG, or the Department of Interior and Local Government, the DPWH, the Department of Public Works and Highways, and the DICT, the Department of Information and Communication Technology, and the last one is the DTI, the Department of Trade and Industry. Next, the traffic and road signs in the Philippines. Road traffic signs and symbols serve as visual indicators intended to direct drivers and pedestrians safely to their destinations. Traffic signs in the Philippines are created to be straightforward, prominent, and easily comprehensible. These are the complete list of road traffic signs and symbols in the Philippines. We have the regulatory signs. Under regulatory signs, we have the priority signs, directional signs, prohibitive and restrictive signs, the speed signs, the park and stopping signs, and the miscellaneous signs. Warning signs. The horizontal signs, intersection, advance warning, control device, road width, road obstacle, pedestrian, railway level crossing, supplementary signs, and other warning signs. Guide or informative sign. Advance direction, intersection, reassurance, fingerboard and directions, street names, town names, geographical features, service signs, tourist information, route markets, Asian highway route marker. The signs on expressways. Expressway approach, the expressway information, the advance exit, expressway service, start and end expressway sign. Toll signs, expressway traffic instruction, and regulatory sign. Next, the traffic instruction signs, supplementary signs, and the movement instruction sign. Hazard marker. These are used to emphasize the approaching driver mark change in the direction of travel and the presence of an obstruction. And the roadwork sites. Pavement markings. That's the end of our lesson for today.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share, subscribe, and hit the bell button.